In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to automatically save snaps to my eyes only. This ensures your private moments are secure and easily accessible. This feature protects sensitive content with a passcode, keeping it hidden from others who might access your account. To do this, simply head to Snapchat. Tap right here and head to your settings. You want to select onto memories. Now, inside the section of Save Destinations, you want to turn on this option of Save to My Eyes only by default. When enabled, for every snap you take, a copy will automatically get saved to My Eyes only. This safeguards your snaps from accidental deletion, ensuring important memories are preserved. Well, that's how easy it is to autosave Snapchat photos and videos to My Eyes only. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like. Share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.